engine spinning the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come, I'm gonna come when the market runs. Billions and billions stack the sum, life's a race and I've already won. Dark races running with coupon codes, cover traders, secret unlocks the load. Fortunes flip on a dime, they say I double down and live for today. Do not come, do not come, I'm gonna come when
what
the
up?
market runs. Billions and billions stack the sun.
Yo, how's everybody's lunch? How is everybody's lunch? What up, Donna? What's up, Dean? Yo, TJ. I'm just setting everything up, setting it all up. Yo, another bum. Are we going to dump finally? Are we going to finally dump? That's the question. Account didn't take a punch. That's always a plus. I got my peach vibe, baby. Got to keep the vibe up. Another tough day. What happened? All right, I don't want to spill this one today. Woo! What a pour. Oh, the Celsius just hits. I might just take my money.
Order filled.
I was trying to get this one back to even. Yo, what do you think? We just dump it out here in the afternoon? I feel like it wants to dump it, but they're just not dumping it. I just don't understand who's like, I need to buy up here when Trump is shooting off freaking tariff demands. I was able to get this back to up 236. I'm done on this account for the day. I don't even think I have any other accounts with them. Nope. I'm done with this account. 236. It's Friday. I got less than 2 hours. I'm gonna take this one and put it in the back seat. I'm done with that one. I'm done with these two funded accounts. It's not much, but I just don't want to risk it on a Friday. Don't want to risk it for the biscuit. We're right under the orb right here. I kind of want to just sell it. What up, PG? I mean, I thought there'd be a dump.
Order filled.
I need Trump to come out and say, China! And have us just dump. Hit us with a China 1-2. You were short at 989. So hard to drink this. The ice is all the way up to the top. Look at that. Oh, man. Yo, Sean. Yo, what up, Fred? Sean, I might make your day, dude. I might make your day. That certain someone reached out to me to do a collab. A certain someone was like, yo, we should collab. No. I wish. But yeah. We shall see where it takes us. We shall see where it takes us, boys and girls. Get a day pass. We keep rejecting this area. I want to see it just unload. No. No. Barbie reached out. Good old Barbie. She was like, what up? And I was like, what up back? Tory Trades takes 3 trades a year. I don't think she's really made for the stream. 3 trades a year really doesn't cut it around here. A little more activity than that. What up, BK? It's like, even if you look like, I don't know. I think we're gonna just dump out. This is gonna be like yesterday. Oh, jeez. I got some. My kids got some. I don't know. You don't get it. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. They got a lot of things that they need to change, man. Like, they got a lot of things they need to change. Personally speaking, they got to change a lot of things. That's just my opinion. Oh, come on and fucking dump it, baby. Dump it.
1 minute. 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 1
Got to know how to run a chat. Yo, you got to interact with the people. You got to get the people going. Yeah. Yeah, they don't get the people going. Like, what the fuck is that? What just happened there? We were just... Dude, that was just a 10-point... Whoa. Whoa. Is there news? Am I about to get my butthole destroyed by news? European Commission has dropped plans to levy a tax on digital companies. Apple, Meta are named in there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's no bueno. Let's see if it trends down. I got $40 of drawdown. I'm just going to blow this. $40 of drawdown is not going to cut it for me. Just destroy it. Peace. Peace out. Yo, bum. First time you laughed all day? Dude, you got to hang out on the stream, man. Funny shit goes on constantly over here. Watch, they're going to rip this now. They're going to rip it on shit news, and it's going to rip. I want to see them just plow it down. Big fucking plow. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Let's go. Dump it. Just freaking dump it. Yo, we're about to light up some let's see if they add them. I left my fake long open. Let's see. Oh, no, BK. BK, we needed to go down, baby. Oh, I mean, it is just flagging right here. No! How can they come out with news like that and the market just holds up? Yo, Maria's in the house. What up, Maria? Inmate 69 is back. Oh, my computer just freaking freeze. Yo, you back for good now? Are you back for good, or what do you got going on? Oh, I hope it doesn't stay in this range. I need it to drop. The downside would be the fucking play. This account's about to get smoke-a-loked. Ugh. Yo, what up, Bully? Yo, going to the office sucks. Just tell your boss. You'd be like, yo, I got to stream. I got to be on the stream. I got to trade. Tell him you got to trade. Like, listen, bro, I got to trade. I need to be inmate 69. Shit. Yo, what up, AKA? I don't understand how that news comes out and we're just holding like nothing fucking happened. Just like nothing happens. Cool. So crazy to me. The EU is gonna tax these big tech companies that make up the NASDAQ, and we just go up. Not even a flinch. I'm gonna let this rip. Honestly, I want to see us dump. I just don't know if it's going to happen. You would think that they would want to get rid of, not hold shit over the weekend, but apparently they want to hold over the weekend. That's apparently the play, is hold over the weekend. Nope. I'm going to get stopped right here. That's crazy. I don't get that, though. The fucking news is so negative. We're literally up on the news that they're going to tax the large tech companies.
Order filled.
So stupid. Couldn't make it up. I mean, nothing phases the market at this point. Romeo, that's what it's like. It's pretty much like we're just tariffs, no problem. Negative GDP, no problem. Yo, it just doesn't matter anymore. It just doesn't matter anymore. I don't. Yo, what up, Dell? What's cracking? Did I read that wrong? Tell me I read that wrong. Oh, I completely read that wrong. Bro, this is what Friday, yo, you want to know how I read that, David? Like EU dropped plans, like put it on the table, like not did away with. Oh man, I'm fucking exhausted by the end of the week, dude. You know how like You drop an album. Like, I don't know. Like, I thought they were putting it out there. That was worded fucking wrong. Trump tariff derangement syndrome. Dude. What have you missed? Yo, you missed my new... Have you heard my music yet, Del? Dude, we now have music. Yeah, you missed a lot. Yo, but you're working from home now, right? Yeah, patient trader. Because I completely fucking read it completely wrong. Like, they should have just said, like, EU decided not to tariff or something like that. Whoever wrote that owes me fucking money. Whoever wrote that owes me money. Tell me who I got to bill for that shit. Who am I billing for that? Yo, what up, CT? I mean, they might just rip this thing. You're still unpacking? Yo, you don't have to go back to the good news is you don't have to go back to, what do you call it? The office, right? No more office for you? The office is totally done. Right? Your work at home. Woo, baby. We're about to get Wild Dell up in here. Bro, that's awesome. Fully remote. Can't beat it. I'm just going to plug
Order filled.
And whatever happens, happens. This isn't like a setup. It seems like they're going to bring it up. That EU news dropped. I don't fucking know. This account's almost done. Let's see what happens. Oh. The market is totally rigged. Watch, they just drop it on me here. They just drop it like it's hot. Yo, coupon code Cove Trader at all 7-Elevens. Dude, it works everywhere. I'm going to get pizzas tonight. It's half off pies, coupon code Cove Trader. That's the word. It says it on their flyer. Yo, so I found something out today. I guess you can copy trade from Quant Tower to TradeSync and then TradeSync to Ninja. So basically, if you have Quant Tower, you can and trade Quant Tower and TradeSync. You can basically just copy trade all your accounts at once. That's the word on the street. That's what I was told this morning. I'm going to try setting that up. I'm going to try setting that up today. Yeah, Maria, I am playing. I'm going to see if that works. We shall see what happens. Wait. TradeSync is how much? $100 to $150 a month? No way. Holy shit. All right, hold on one second. It's $49 a month for 2 connections. I think a connection is a prop firm. But yo, this is the workaround. You ready? All you need is one connection, and that connection to be on NinjaTrader, because then if you copy that one connection onto NinjaTrader using Replicanto, you can copy the rest. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, all you need is one connection to NinjaTrader, and then all you need is one connection to one account, because then that one account on NinjaTrader then copy trades everything else on that you have. Bro, super sketch. I heard from a secret sauce though, like that's how you got to do it. He said that's the way. So basically, you trade your Quant Tower Rhythmic accounts, and then it copy trades to one account on NinjaTrader, and that one account on NinjaTrader is then copying to however many other accounts. What could possibly go wrong, people? What could go wrong? You'll see on Monday. You'll see on Monday when your boy copy trades. Nah, it's not. It's $49 a month, DW. The town is actually that way. It's $49 a month. But we shall see. If it allows me to do what I want to do. Boom, Andy. Yo, Andy. Yo, who would have thought you would have got the clap on Friday afternoon? Yeah, you don't need the big plan, though, because you only need to copy trade to one account on NinjaTrader, and then NinjaTrader handles the rest. What could go wrong? It's a perfect plan. So yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. I only say that because I know this is going to sound crazy, but like during the mornings, for argument's sake, like today, I caught the bottom in I literally caught the bottom today, and I was just unable to what do you call it? See, I caught it right here. Like I would have wanted to copy trade that among many accounts, but the fact is I was unable to. Streamlabs not working? What's wrong? Why is Streamlabs not working? What's wrong with Streamlabs not working, Ron? I don't know. Mark is having a rough go out. Yeah. It's probably closed now. It doesn't stay open the whole time. It auto shuts off. It auto shuts off. It goes back on later on. It might have taken it. I don't have it up. Whatever's on that screen that I bring up literally slows my whole fucking computer down. I don't know what's on that screen or why it does it, but whatever's on it, there must be like a lot of scripts on it or something like that, because whatever's on it slows the shit out of my computer. Oh, now we're getting the fucking dump. Oh, jeez. I'm looking at it on the bigger time frames. I think it's going to come all the way down to 60. This is going to fucking unload.
Order filled.
How do I know how much? How do I know how much more space I got? This account is dunzo. If we get a little bounce, QT is heavy, you noticed. What? On my computer? I haven't had an issue running Quant Tower. I wonder if we get a quick bounce right here. I'm just looking for a quickie. Just looking for a quickie. I think it's going to spill over, to be honest. See, I haven't had Ninja, I feel like, is heavy. Ninja's the heavy, like Ninja, bro. Ninja eats up resources in a future computer I haven't even bought yet. That's how heavy that shit is. Oh. All of them, you know what the problem is? They're all standalone programs that you download. fucking knew we were going to dump earlier, and I just felt it. And I literally got swept out on this. That's where I got taken out because my stop was here. Fuck me. I guess I should have just went high a day. Yo, what up, La Rosa? Yeah, Ninja Trader is just, you know what it is? Ninja, depending on what you're running, I run a lot of scripts. So Ninja is just running countless scripts. Like I got a lot of scripts running. I was about to get a payout. I'm told I can't trade while they run their investigation. Yo, who told you that? Wait, Topstep? What? That you can't trade? I wouldn't trade anyways. Why I wait for my fucking money? Only 12 points seems to now kiss my entry, which seems personal. Dude, that's awesome. Dude, they're just unloading this. We were talking about this shit at the top, too. You never want to trade an account that you're requesting a payout on. Just an FYI, because God forbid you're trading it and you fucking blow it up and then you'll be like, yo, you're not getting paid. Wait, you're not getting your payouts? Why? You're not getting your payouts? What's wrong? We need to know why Topstep's not paying you. What'd you do? What'd you do over there? Dude, that's crazy that they're not paying you for whatever reason. But we're all ears. We want to hear what's up. Dude. Let's see how everyone's doing today. Fuck off, buyers. Yo, it looks like they're going to drop it down. What sucks is I was originally freaking, what do you call it? I was originally short. That's crazy. They're not going to pay you out and you have to trade another 5 days all because of their chart problem? That makes no sense. That makes no sense that they won't pay you out and you got to trade 5 more days. Fuck that. I'd be out. I mean, I'd keep the account and trade it. That's pretty much what it is, CT. It's exactly what it is. Yo, what up, Corey? Oh. I can't believe they wicked me out on this fucking candle right here. Otherwise, I would have just fucking grabbed this. Dude, this is a bunch of times today I got hosed. Stop too short. Crazy. What would make everything better, La Rosa? Slamming them for a massive payout. Like a big fuck you payout. Like a $12,000, $15,000 payout next week. Some duck races. Yo. That's crazy, though, that they said that they'll fix your account, but you got to trade. I'll be honest with you. There's probably a stat that now that they're fixing people's accounts and making them trade for an extra 5 days, there's going to be X amount of more blown accounts or people that would have gotten paid that they don't have to pay now. Yo, my hip hop name, Too Short. Dude, you're supposed to get $4,200. I bet you there's a bunch of people that were going to get paid. Now trade 5 days and someone's not going to get fucking paid. How's that sound? I bet you that someone is not going to get fucking paid. All because they messed up and it's just going to conceal it or however you want. Like, they're going to end up blowing the accounts. And they're going to be like, ha, 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 we got them to trade extra days. It's exactly what's going on. They're looking like the champ, but if they're making you trade 5 extra days, it's pretty fucked up. But why don't you guys just pay me my fucking payouts? Come on down. Yo, $300 is $300. Yeah, TJ. They'd be like, yo, sorry, we don't see an error. We don't see a problem. Yo, if I blew an account on the next 5 days of trading that they make me trade, I would be furious. I'd be like, why'd you make me trade 5 extra days? Like, just send me my payout. That's crazy. Yo, nothing ever works in your favor, TJ, when dealing with them. Just an FYI. It's never like, oh, actually, I had my mistake. My funded futures paid me out one time when I broke consistency. Yep. True story. They hooked me up. I broke consistency. It was on one of those, I imagine it was on one of those auto payout things, but I don't know. Every time I've had a problem, they blame the software. So like I was at Apex, I had $4 to get a payout, and I went to trade for the extra $4, and Rhythmic Trader Pro shut off on me. Next thing you know, I was down 300, and it just spiraled out of control, and I blew the account. And I told him, I was like, dude, like your Rhythmic Trader Pro had an issue with your connection. They're like, oh, well, we don't see it. And that was it. They always blame the software. Yeah, Topstep will tell you they don't see an error. Yeah. Whoa. What the absolute fuck was that? Dude, that was a fucking let it go. They're never going to do something to help you out. Just remember that. They're not on your side. None of them are. They're running a business, and you're trying to take from them. That's all it is. I just don't think people realize that. Watch, they bounce it now. All right, I'm looking to take this back. I got to get my other screen up. Oh, where is my fucking other screen? All right, here it is. All right, I'm looking to take this north. Just an FYI. You play 5 minute? You play 5 minute? I feel like that's fucking big. I'm looking for a 30-second or one. Yo, Jim Blab got a free pack of floppy disks. Bro, they're unloading this thing. I'm waiting for a bottom. What up, Alex? It's so risky because you're going to be hitting VWAP from the bottom. So that's why I got out. I got in on the inversion and real fucking quick out. I might take this. My stop would be 42. My stop's 42. That's a free trade right there. It's a free fucking trade now, boys and girls. Woohoo! Shit. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, move the stops up, baby. Yo, move your stops up. Move them up. Yo, I told you, that's how I catch the bottom. So much better. You just wait for the inversion to happen. Once you get a little inversion, you get a little fucking there. Woo-hoo. Fred, yo, did we just catch that? Did we just? Yeah, boy, push this the fuck up. I don't even know why I fucking play anything else. Honestly, I don't even know why I play anything else. There's no reason to fucking play anything else other than this. Dude. I mean, honestly, that was fucking nasty. Top of the 5-minute orb. Yeah. What are we playing? I took the first inversion on the way up. So I'll show you on my screen. These are what I look for. So when we start dumping out like this, for me to find a bottom, don't get me wrong. Would I take a trade at like the bottom orb and like try to catch a bounce? Yes, been there. But in reality, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for us to come down, make like a wick or a hammer, and then you come up and you invert the fair value gap. I get in right here. And my stop loss was, I told you on the stream, it was 42. Right? So I got in probably here at 49. My stop loss was 42. And then we just took it up to, I got out. I'm mostly out around here. Those are the trades I like to take. I know, patient. I know. That's why I talk on the stream and I say, oh, this is like a C- trade, because I'm kind of doing it just to have some fun. But when we start getting like, if we start dropping like this, you could tell the vibe changes, because I'm like, yo, this is it. Like, this is the one that we fucking take. I'm waiting for this. You know, the vibe definitely changes when we start dumping, and I'm like, yo, I got to bring my shit up, because I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something like this, a hammer, fair value gap, either set my stop here, you know, and now I go back to fucking, you know, joking around. I made my money, you know, and now I'll go back to scalping and having fun. But those are the types of trades that you want to take. Look, that I would not have taken this. I took the short for a different reason. But That's how we got this morning. So if you look this morning, so there's actually a fucking gap over here. Is it on the 1? There's actually a gap. I mean, you could see it says right here, this script picked it up, stop loss, and that's why I grabbed this out of this. But this wasn't so clean. The reason why this wasn't very clean is you want to see a V shape, basically. You don't want to see down, up, down, up. You know, you're looking for, you want to see like this, a fucking dump, and then we rip it back up. You know, not everyone is good. Like, I'm not really taking probably this one. You know, I want to see a dump and then back, or a rocket ship and then back. I'm not looking for anything else. Like this is fucking prime meat. Look at this. This is, we invert 1, 2, 3, 4 candles later. That's fucking money. That's another thing. You want to invert with a little amount of candles as you can. You don't want to be sitting here with fucking 18 candles and then finally we go up. You're looking for a sharp V consolidation. Watch, we're going to take this all the way the fuck back up. This account's almost done. So
Order filled.
I don't even care. Let's see what happens, right? Don't follow this. This is like the worst fucking place you could buy in. Don't follow this. You should have been in already. You should have made a ton of money by now. You should be out. I'm just doing it for the purpose of the stream. I bet you that it probably targets all the way back up. I'm just looking. Hopefully, I'm going to leave it there. I think we're going to trend back up. The whole thing changed. I have no idea if he did. He copied me, so it's all good. All right. Going back to the chat. What did I miss? 50 points. Anderson bought with me. I want you to buy because you recognize it. Just don't follow me. I want you to learn. I want you to learn. Marie posted hers in the Discord. Let's see. Marie said, got tit. Yo, that's freaking awesome. Dude, Marie's up 140 ticks. 143 ticks. Dude, people destroyed it. Oh. Yo, Fred, I taught him how to trade, dude. You know that, right? Yo, he's only doing this because of me. I got him into the markets. He probably watched my videos or just from talking to me. Oh, Marie, that's how we roll over here. That's how we roll. It's still technically it's not done. Technically, it's going to go all the way back up to, technically speaking, it should travel all the way back up to like 2312. You should go back into see if I would have TPs, my TP would be right here for first one. My TP for a second TP would be up here, right here, and then my last one would be up in this order block. Yo, wouldn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me, CT. Nah, I doubt he has it. It's just from talking. He probably picked it up. He probably looked at it and was like, oh, that works. Let me follow freaking Evan. I don't care, man. I want people to make money. At the end of the day, the idea is to make money, right? I don't care. If anybody's going to make money, you'd want your best friend to make money, right? So I'd want him to make money. We're best friends in real life. So I would want him to fucking win, right? I don't want him to lose. But yeah, I would have been out. My first TP, I would have been targeting right here. I'd have been out. Like, I'm out already only because it's fucking 3 o'clock. Like, this isn't the best of times, 2, 3 o'clock. Like, you know, I would have wanted to see, yeah, it's us against the prop firms. I want the prop firms to pay us. So obviously now I'm going to move my stop loss up because I don't want to lose all my gains. So I'll take 145 and we'll just kind of let it ride. Yo, what up, Double O? Yo, should have been in here. We caught the bottom. We went. I had my bottom finder up. We found the great bottom and we all smashed. And now we're up a lot. Oh man. But seriously though, we pretty much caught it, right? I got out early. I got out early because it's fucking 3 o'clock. Last night was terrible. I don't like trading Asia, to be honest with you. Asia's rough. And then the news made it crazy. Listen, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. At the end of the day, we took the trade. Looks dumpy. We shall see. I mean, I'm in profit land no matter what. I'm telling you, this is going to go all the way up to at least 304. Dude, today's been good. There's been a lot of good trades. By the way, if you guys want, every day I'm doing this now. So a lot of people ask, like, 90. A lot of people have asked, like, you know, if I only take a couple trades, what would it look like and all that type of stuff. So every day I'm going to start doing these recaps on Twitter that basically show the charts. So it's basically going to be a Twitter thread or an X thread. And you'll be able to see, like, if I was only going to take, I don't know, 3 trades today, what were the setups? And every day I'm going to put it on Twitter. So if you're interested, follow. I follow everybody back that that's in the chat if I know who you are. But so if I'm only going to take 3 trades, I'll post a thread today, like the 3 top trades that I would have taken today. So like today, this is obviously going to be one of them. The trade I took early in the morning, I took this trade. Like that's definitely one of them. I got to look back. I've taken quite a bit of fucking trades today. This short, but I got stopped out. So I'm not going to put that on there. I got stopped out, but that was definitely, I got wicked out by this. Well, I'm just trying to give it so like new people can see like, okay, like I get what he was looking at. What's funny, PG, is when I'm not on the stream, I don't scalp. I rode last night. I held the personal account trade overnight to the downside for 300 and we'll just call it $350. When I'm not on the stream, my patience is higher. The big thing that I don't want to do is I don't like I'm so protective of taking gains while I'm on the stream. So in case somebody is following, they're also taking gains. And that's why I scout more than hold it. Just, I want to make sure if you're following, you're locking in gains. That's probably why I exit early on the stream more than anything. Or I'll scalp on the stream for quick gains, or sometimes I'll scalp on the stream just because we haven't made a trade in a little bit and I want some action. But when I'm not on the stream, dude, I could sit here for fucking hours and not take a trade. I don't feel the need to take a trade at all when I'm not on the stream. I'll sit and I'll wait and I'll wait and I'll wait. And then when something happens, I take it. Eduardo, what up, man? See, look at this shit, right? I'm going to move my stop up. I'm just making sure I lock in gains here. Welcome to the stream, brother. What's cracking? Got about a 60-40 on green day, not green day. Yo, what up, Ace? Yeah, Code, 1,000%. I just, because I'm on the stream, I like to get fucking crazy sometimes. Trying to learn? Well, welcome. You're at a good freaking spot, brother. Dude, I'm going to get some water. I need water real bad. Hold on one second.
Order filled.
I'm back. We back. Hey, I took a trade in micro Bitcoin and won. Oh, I'm not trading that. Did you see Powell news considering retirement? Yeah, Trump's probably kicking his ass out. Although Trump put Powell in there. Trump put Powell in there, and now he wants him out because he won't do the rate cuts. Trump wants rate cuts. Powell doesn't want to do rate cuts, so he's, just remember the U.S. has to structure a ton of debt in September, and they're going to structure it at a super high level right now. So Trump wants to lower the rate. We'll see what happens. Like they care about that. I don't know. All I know is, did somebody say they're playing the 1 minute FV? So who played the 1 minute, the 5 minute? Somebody played the 5 minute. Somebody played the 5 minute inverted fair value gap. I just think it's too big for me. I'm a 1. Yeah, see, look, that's the money one right there. Look at that shit. Do you remember the old video? I'm not even going to get into that. Trump's a borrow and bankrupt guy? Well, I don't know, man. Listen, I hope he lowers rates. So we'll see what happens. You guys are in short. I can't trade this short. Yeah, I just want the rates to be lowered. I think it would be interesting. I'm looking. It's just dropping. Tell you what, the setup was good. It traded right back into this breaker and down. I personally am not like, oh, I love this setup. Like, what would the setup be? Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. I think I freaking cracked my back. All right, let's see what happens here. This was so good. Yo, today's been pretty good, to be honest with you. The only issue with today is countless times it looked like it was going to break to the upside big time, and it's never had that push to the upside. Every time it looks ready to go, it just doesn't go. That's my biggest problem with how today is. Do you, just curious, PG, do you take it? What is it? It's got to be between 2 and 3, right? 2 and 3, and it's the first 3 minute fair value gap. That's what it is, right? You go all the way to 330. So I guess the first, but it's got to be a 3-minute fair value gap to the downside, right? Because I guess this is where you'd go. You would have got in right here. Yeah, but what fair value gap are you waiting to be created? The 3-minute, like a 1, 2, 3. Like what minute fair value gap do you wait to is created to the downside? Oh, you wait until there's a 5-minute? Dude, that's up there. I've been using the 3. The 3's been pretty good. Yeah, that's what I've been using is the 3. It's worked out pretty well. It worked out today. Here's the first 3-minute is right here. I don't think it just unloaded. I don't even think it retested it. I think you had a straight unloading. Was this? I just want to see something. Was this delayed? Dude, why did that fucking, why is it so, why does that get delayed? Let me wait until all these are. It shouldn't be delayed. Oh, no, it wasn't delayed. It wasn't delayed. I just wanted to make sure. Short the thing. Mid. Yeah. Dude, we're just ranging all day. Just had to sell the top of the range and buy the bottom of the range. Nothing crazy. Need to get my copy trader up. I almost just messed up. I almost just copy traded in an MNQ account. Dude, that would have been awful. That would have been freaking awful. Getting ready for, yeah, I'm getting ready for, yeah, Fred. I'm setting up my copy trader. I'm setting up yeah. You know it, man. I've been playing, yeah. I mean, I'm getting ready for it. I got something going. We'll see what happens. We're supposed to go to the BC this weekend. I'm doing MOC in my my quant account, to be honest with you. I will also I'll play it in this account right here if I can get over to it at the same time, but I'm going to play it in my funded accounts over there. I'm going to wait and see what happens. Yo, later, Ray. Yeah, well, I'm waiting to see what way it decides to go, CT. I'm testing something out. I'm not playing the initial move. I'm waiting until it goes a certain way, and then I'll play. You know, I'm not going to I'm going to wait till it goes a certain way, and then I'm going to go. I got a bunch of setting up of shit to do this weekend with copy trading and bots. There's a do I care about the actual numbers? What do you mean the actual numbers? Methodical gave me a orb bot for Quant Tower. I gotta play around with that. Oh, there he is. That's so crazy. Yo, I gotta set that bot up for multiple times through the day. I'm going to test some stuff. What up, American Made? No, I don't care where it's at. Yeah, I don't care where it's at. But I do have certain things, like I'm going to set it up for gold. I'm going to set it up for overnight trades. I hope it works. I'm going to run it on an eval and see what happens. I'm going to run it on an eval overnight. Go, and see what happens, and I don't know. I'll look at the stats over the course of a week, and I'm just going to use one eval on gold and one eval on overnight trades, and I'm just going to use them two for that. I'm going to see what the stats give me at the end of the day. Yo, what up, Pine? Yo, Bodine's in the house. What up, Oliver? Paul? Yo, anybody doing anything fun this weekend? What's everyone doing this weekend? Yo, what up, Vicious? It's crazy. I never know who's in the chat until I open this up, and then everyone's in here. What's going on? Offshore fishing? Yo, disc golf sounds good. Disc golf sounds real good. What up, Chris? Yo, I wish I go swimming. Swimming is good. Dude, I just want to sit by the pool, let my kids jump and splash around, make some freaking pina coladas, and hang. Just hang. Knitting, tea, and porn. That's some mix there, Fred. Brushan's working from home and listening to the stream on the side. Hopefully things are going well, man. Hopefully things are going well. Yeah, I got some cool stuff that I want to do. I got a lot of cool stuff I want to test out. I've been testing out some things over the week that have been very interesting. And we'll see what it brings. I want to possibly check out this trade sinker thing. Trade sync. Honestly, I think we're just going to dump. It looks like it wants to dump. But we shall see. MOC is calling, baby. See what happens, Raymond. What up, Carl? Oh, shoo. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Yo, Rodri's in here. If we grind down and start dumping right towards 350, you're long in it. Maria, I'm waiting until I'm not playing the initial move, Maria. Just letting you know. I'm waiting until it moves. Just so everybody knows. I am waiting until it moves. Either the first 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15. I'm going to look and see what happens. I'm not going to play after hour drift today, I don't think. Fridays are rough, Maria. When it comes to some of this shit, Fridays get rough. What's up, Ashu? Yo, B Pet. What's up? First time in the chat? Welcome, welcome, man. Hopefully you're having a good day. Yo, chat's open for anyone to talk, hang out, shoot the shit. You got questions? Throw it up. You got absolutely destroyed today? What happened, Knob? Today was a good... Yo, I blame the F-22 guy. Bro, that guy is wild. That's my man. He came in and he was talking some wild shit. Roy, how did I learn FVGs? Like playing them? I don't. Probably just watching YouTube, reading. Seeing somebody else, use it, working. Bro, you're watching Superman? How is it? Is it good? What kind of strategy do I use? I use everything from fair value gap inversions to orbs. to flipping a coin. I don't know. I would say, a mix of all types of things. Hopium. I suck on hopium. I have a mask that I breathe in hopium. I love that frog meme, by the way. The hopium frog meme. I'm not like a ICT diehard guy. I do use some of the stuff, but some of the stuff was other things. I don't know. Trump is talking right now. Oh my God. Why does he have to talk right now? Yo, don't blow it. Definitely don't blow it. Fuck. I don't know if my copy trader's set up. Yo, I just took that off to the downside. It might still hit to the downside, but I want to leave on Friday. Fucking, it would have. Yo, you would have gotten it to the downside. Yeah. Now to see if that fucking copy traded. See, I didn't make a ton on that. I was up $90. I think I made $90 on it. What's wild is the one I copy traded on made more money. This made 247. I made more money on this account, even though they copy traded. So whatever. Either way, they're both funded accounts. And I'm up. That's all that matters. I'll tell you what, if you played the original candle, you definitely banged on FOMC, whoever played it. I just played it differently. I waited to see what we were doing first. Yo, my TPT filled a YM order that was in for 2 hours. Oh, dude, I had that happen to me the other day. I filled an order, a 3-hour later order, but I made $400. Saran. There is, Saran. There is. There's definitely. $300 million is not a lot for MOC size. It was too sketchy for you, CT? It banged. She bangs. She bangs. Remember that song? Yo, that's I thought it went really good. Obviously, it went really good for me. I went 20 seconds early. Sometimes you don't need a lot of trades. Sometimes if you just wait and play the right trades, you don't need the rest of the shit. It was sussy. It was clean as fuck if you played it. I didn't take any drawdown, really. Might have to skip out today. I'm not drifting at the end of the day or three. I'm not playing 355. I can tell you that much. BK made 150 on accident. I'll tell you what, it's just kind of consolidating. Some strategies always work better some days. Some days it's just better than others. I am going to say, I got to shut this stuff down, actually. I got to see which ones are what's profitable and what's not. That's out. Let's see what this is. I'm just checking on my tests. This is the banger right here. Screenshot that. Screenshot that. Which one is this? I'll screenshot this. This was close enough. Well, I think I messed this up, actually. I think I messed it up. I'm just looking through some of my stuff as I oh, this one got destroyed. Why? Short, long, short strategies. You know what? This one would not have been terrible if I probably did this. Yeah, actually, that's pretty. I'm going to play that next week. Yo, what up, Cube? Yo, I'm just testing out my I got some Ninja Trader stuff that's running that I've been testing. And I'm just screenshotting it all right now. And so I can set it all back up on Monday. I am I'm not going to throw it out there yet because it's not fucking tested. But today it made 125. Another account was up $200. Another account was up 547. But there's a lot more testing that needs to be had. Lot more testing. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if MOCs next week are nice. Yo, what up, Jareemer? One micro? No. One mini ES. One mini ES. And I there's a lot of testing that's gone into it. So it's not like it's something, you know. We shoot the shit about it, but I'm in the middle of testing. Next week, I should get a good handle to see what's the best, but the accounts are all up. How many trades? I'll just give you a quick fucking overview. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know, maybe 7. 7 trades, 8 trades, 7, 8 trades. There's definitely tweaks that could be made, but overall, it's pretty. Yo, I'm on week 1, Paul. Actually, I'm on week 3, but this is the first week it's profitable. So I'm not just throwing it out there yet because you're going to use it and it's not going to be profitable. And then everyone's going to be like, oh, I fucking lost money. Yeah, I know my email box is going to be fucking stacked with questions. Yeah. Well, the money that I said is after commissions, Cube. So it's like $200 after commissions. It's not like $200. It's $200 after commissions. You can use the strategy tester. Strategy tester is kind of whack sometimes, just an FYI. Well, here's the dump off. Holy shit. Well, if you took the drift, you fucking made money. Yo, my funded futures deal is still on. Yeah, go grab it. Yeah. It's hard to get one of those working well. It is extremely hard, Cube. I'm not the guy who says to put it out there either. There's a guy in our chat that has made the framework, and I'm just testing it, and it's up to him what he wants to do with it. But I use Trade Day, Jay Styles. The drift was nice. Yo, Sean, you hit it? Did you hit the drift at the end of the day? Dude, that was a lot of points. It just went for 12 points. Dude, that's crazy. Of course, the one day I don't do it, it's as clean as it could possibly be. It's super clean, and it's fucking 12 points. The one day I don't do it. Look at that. That's so clean. Virtually no drawdown. By the way, Sean, do you have Quant Tower? You might want to get it. Just an FYI. Yeah, you got Quant Tower? Yo. A lot of shit you can do with it. A lot of shit you can do with it. Best day in a while for you? What's I don't know. Here, BPET. It's Quant Tower. Yo, be safe, John. Yo, I'll be honest with you. I wish I never traded Asia. I blew this during Asia. Asia was rough. That's why I don't trade that during those times, to be honest. The Tower of Quants. Yo, I didn't know you can load scripts and strategies into Quant Tower, Cube. Did you know that? I didn't know there were strategies in Quant Tower. I thought it was just Ninja Trader. I didn't realize it. I want to see how close I am for fucking more payouts. Dude, if I can get $6,000 next week, I'd be happy in payouts. I like Ninja. I mean, I run them. I have them both. I have Replicanto going, which I'm just going to shut it all down now anyways. But I have Replicanto going, and I use a couple. Like I said, I was testing those scripts out. I was running that, and then that's what I use Ninja for, copy trading and scripts. And I use Quant Tower for some rhythmic accounts that I have, but I might be turning to Quant Tower more only because of the copy trader. I don't know. I got to think about it over this weekend, but I keep missing shit because I got to use multiple platforms. This was so nice. So fucking nice. Guys, I hope you made money. I hope if you're brand new that you learned some stuff. Somebody asked me to put all my shit in one area. So if I wouldn't call it's a course, but it's not really a course. But I put all my bet shit together right in there if you want it. It's all free. But some new people have asked. So yo, Cube, it fucked me one time. And then this week it didn't close out the order. And my funded account, one got out for $350, and the other one, by the time I realized it was still in, I was up $1,500. Yo, I'm gonna have a consistency issue, but at least I'm up. I just got to work it up more, but I thought that was freaking crazy. Do I gamble? Not really. The only time I gamble is if I'm on like bachelor parties or like we happen to go to Vegas or I'm like in Vegas for like a convention or like Atlantic City or I'm traveling somewhere and there happens to be a casino. I'm not actively seeking out to go gamble. That's weird. A random micro short? How does that even happen? You're not even on the same shit. Dude, that's weird. That's really fucking weird. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the recaps just like this one today. So if you're new and you want to see if I was only going to trade 1 to 3 trades, you can see the recap on X. Yo, so I pull up that one that says positions. I leave this open. Where the fuck is it? Dude, I leave this open so I can just see everything that's open and I can just hit the close all button. I mean, you probably knew about this, but I leave this up, and once I see like the shit hit, if they're all not out, I just hit close all. Got to keep an eye on it, without a doubt. You definitely got to keep an eye on it because you never freaking know. Oh, man, guys. Almost forgot to close out a TPT. Oh, it's end of the market. Yeah, it's the complete end of the market. So you're fine right now. Yeah, I know, Cube. Yeah. Yep. I like also you could place orders really fast. I don't know, like you know, I can click the mouse and I can just kind of place orders real quick instead of you know, doing it the other way. Why? How do you trade, Cube? Like, what are you looking for? Are you scalping or are you holding the shit? Are you scalping though, or are you like, oh, you're holding? Yeah. Do you even trade on the 1 minute, or are you trading on like the 5? Because I know some people don't even want to trade on the 1. They just do 5 or the higher time frames. Oh, I trade 1 minute a lot. 5 minute is ideal. Oh, what are you placing, like one trade a day, Cube? Like 1 or 2 trades all day? Yeah. What's crazy is I fucking wanted this short so bad. I literally got toasted right here. Right at the top, I got toasted. We're going to run the Ducks in 3 minutes because I gotta run out and do some stuff. 3 minutes will run. I gotta set this whole thing up also. Oh man. Just looking. All right, let me get this fucking going. Yo, if you're new here, welcome. We do this every single day. You got to be subscribed to the channel. Also, you got to be so. If you're not, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell down there. I got to get this. We stream twice a day. Once in the morning, again at 2 p.m. I hope if this is your first time, hope you had some fun today. We had some good trades. We got some payouts coming our way. And I will not be trading Asia anytime soon. That shit was crazy. I'm trying to set this up. Fuck, man. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code CoveTrader. That's what allows me to give away these accounts all the time. So if you like free accounts, use the code. There's also a link to our free Discord in the description of the video. I'm just setting this up. The winner gets a Take a Profit Trader account. Finally, holy shit. This is whoever was on yesterday's stream. The 8 p.m. drop last night was sick. Yo, Steve, you ain't kidding, man. I was actually streaming last night. I was streaming last night when it happened. Dude, that thing just dumped. Big dump. Yo. Is Vinny Lee in here? Yo, you got fucking like 1 minute, Vinny. Yeah, it definitely retraced. It came all the way back. The Ducks, so we give away free accounts every single day on the live stream. You just got to be on the live stream during the actual trading day. And you can join. Yo, Anderson, hysterical. Was I in that? Were you on the stream last night? This is everybody that's on the stream last night. Yo, you got 10 seconds, Vinny, or we're rerunning this shit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta be on the stream. Yo, frantically switching. Yo, he's like, I logged into the wrong one. Oh, no. Yo, I think he left. B Pet, you're going to have a hard time getting in on tomorrow, brother. But on Monday, you can. Monday, you can definitely get in. Yo, all right, at least here. Thank you. Holy sh! Dude, I thought I was gonna have to keep rerunning. All right, let's see. Dude, we're gonna speed this shit up. We're doing speed ducks now, boys and girls. Speed ducks. B, you're gonna win tomorrow. It's B Pet, it's random. You can't win twice, so fucking rerun this one. It's all. Yo, enjoy your weekend, patient. Yo, you got 1 minute. Are you on here? Rigged. Rigged. Yo, B Pet, tell your friends to come by. Tell your neighbor to come by. Tell grandma to come by. Tell everybody. Tell grandma and all of her bingo friends. Bring them on. We'll all hang out. Yo, you got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You fucking out. He's not here. He's not here, Double O. Gotta be on the stream. Bring grandma's boyfriend that gets bummers. Tell that guy to come by. Tell that guy to come by. She's here. Marie gets added no matter what if she wins. She's OG in the chat. Bro, this guy's won every time he's won. Yo, Ali, you won. Yeah, Kevin. You missed it. You missed it. All right, last one, and then all the winners are going to race. This is all just people, morning stream. Man, I'm trying to fucking get this going. Set. Last one. Watch, Ali's going to win again. Yo, Ali's going to win again. Dude. Marie's brother, Nathan White, just won. Is he around? You're going to soak your head in the pool? All right, here we go. Edit the list. Four-person duckies. You ready? Come on. Oh. Shoot me an email. Dude, they did you guys dirty. Nathan, you did it.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
Yo. Oh, man. Quack, quack, baby. Dude, it was a good end of the day. It was a good day. Somebody tripped their duck. Do I know about fundamentals or microeconomy? Yeah, Anderson. Why? What do you want to know? What would you like to know? Yeah, I mean, I don't really go into it because a lot of the people here are not, you know, I don't know what you want to know though. Like, I'm not exactly sure. And my opinion on the economy, I think it's definitely not good currently, even though the market's up. That's the best, that's a simple answer. What videos do I recommend? I don't know. I don't exactly know what you're trying to learn. So it's hard for me to say, hey, you should look at this, you should look at that. Like, I don't exactly know what you're trying to learn. Is it more profitable than day trading? I make more money trading options than day trading futures. Oh yeah, B Pet. I got a ton of videos. Dude. First off, if you just go there and then you'll get they'll send you to a link for a PDF, and it has like top videos and whatnot. And then I have these, like, dude, I have so many videos on my channel. I would just go look on videos. I would just go and look on videos. I type in like win rate, type in orb. Dude, there's a lot of different videos on there. Yo, I'll tell you what. My friend bought NVIDIA when it was $15 pre-split because he was into gaming, and the chips, I guess, the graphic, they were using NVIDIA graphic cards, and he ended up investing in NVIDIA at 15 something. He threw like, I don't know, 5 or 10,000 in, and yeah, he's up quite a bit. Yo, later, Code. Yo, have a good weekend, Ali. Jack Black as Bob Ross. What up, Candles? Yo, later, Sean. Oh, man, I am definitely tired. Yeah, it definitely didn't pull back. I mean, they're the leader though, Cube. Like, there's no reason to sell it in theory, because you just kind of stumbled on my stream. Well, I'm glad you came by, B-Pet. Yo, later, Lee. You ever swing trade using fundamentals? Not on futures. Not on futures. I held a position last night. Oh, dude. I actually I told somebody to make a script that did those dinosaurs and all that shit. Yo, C Cube, like how you trade is how I would trade when I'm not on the fucking stream. That's pretty much how yeah. That's how I don't mark it up completely like you do, unless you just marked it up because you were posting it. Yeah, NVIDIA, yeah. NVIDIA runs the shit, Q. Grok 4 is out. Code anything you want, I heard. I gotta look. I haven't coded anything ever. I don't trade Forex, Anderson. I don't trade any Forex. I'm just looking at some shit. I got a fucking ton of text messages. Oh, man. Just came out. I'll look into it. I'll be honest with you. I got a lot of scripts and stuff I've been playing with that I really don't want anymore. And also on top of it, I don't really need anymore. Like I kind of play, you know, I like what I play. And yo, Cube, when you buy, are you buying with micros or minis? What sizing are you using on that? Just curious. Are you sizing? Yo, later, BK. Are you sizing on a are you on micros or minis? What are you looking at? I'm just kind of curious. Whoa. Oh, you're using 500 fixed risk? So you're basically like 15 points with two minis. I guess 25 points. That's kind of where I wanted to go, is 500 fixed risk. Oh man. I am full port. I mean, that's where I like to go, is 500 risk. That's more than usually I go like 250 at 300, but I feel like I go 250 and then I get stopped out and then it ends up going my way anyways. And I wouldn't have even hit 500. I would have hit like fucking, 300 or 350. Yeah. See, I like doing, instead of like one or two micros, I almost like doing 15 one or two minis. I like doing like 15 micros, so I can like I can get out in different tranches. I like to leg out of the position. Oh, all right. I'm exhausted. I'm going to go to a fair, a carnival with my kids. So I'm jumping off this show. I appreciate everybody that came by today. I'll be back. I'll be in the Discord hanging out, and I will be back Monday morning. Hope everybody freaking gets out, has fun, and I'll see you guys.
On a train deck, get a spin in the wheel, chasing the charts for the ultimate deal. It doesn't burn no fire in me, only numbers light my ecstasy. Do not come, do not come. I'm gonna come.
I never add.
Billions and billions stack the sum. Life's a race.